In this video, I am going to share the latest Fliki AI coupon code, which will provide you a flat 40% discount. To get started, simply click on the first link down below in the video description. The link will take you to Fliki's website. And now, if you go to the pricing page, you will see that it is offering a 40% discount on its yearly plans. Now, to claim this deal, you need to log into your account. Once you do that, click on this upgrade button. The coupon code is valid only for the yearly plan. Here, we need to select a plan. The premium plan offers the most value, so I will select it. This will take us to the checkout page of Fliki AI. Here, you can see that this plan will cost us well over $1,000. You'll also see this add promo code option. Simply click here, and then enter this coupon code, which is showing on your screen, and then hit the apply button. And as you can see, we've got a 40% discount on our order. And now we only need to pay $633 for the premium plan. I will leave this coupon in the video description so that you can easily copy it from there. Also make sure to use our affiliate link too, as it will help you get the latest offers and discounts of Fliki AI. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video.